Introduction to seed germination. Seed germination is a vital process that marks the beginning of a plant's life cycle. It involves the development of a seed into a young plant, known as a seedling. This complex process requires favorable conditions such as water, temperature, and oxygen. Understanding seed germination helps us appreciate how plants grow and thrive, contributing to agriculture and natural ecosystems. Conditions required for germination. For seeds to germinate, several key conditions must be met. Water is essential, as it activates enzymes within the seed that start the growth process. Adequate temperature is also crucial, as it influences enzyme activity and seed metabolism. Most seeds require specific temperature ranges to germinate effectively. Additionally, oxygen is necessary for respiration, which provides the energy needed for growth. Some seeds also need light or darkness, depending on their species. The germination process. The germination process begins when a seed absorbs water, causing it to swell and break through its outer coat. This process is known as imbibition. Once the seed coat is ruptured, metabolic activities within the seed increase, leading to the growth of the embryo. The embryo's root, or radicle, emerges first, anchoring the seed and starting to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Following the root, the shoot, or plumule, begins to grow upwards towards the light. Seedling development. After the initial stages of germination, the seedling develops its primary structures. The root system expands to explore the soil for water and nutrients, while the shoot grows above the soil surface. The first leaves, called cotyledons, provide the seedling with energy through photosynthesis until it can produce its own food. As the seedling continues to grow, it develops true leaves, a more extensive root system, and begins to establish itself as a young plant. Factors affecting germination. Several factors can influence the success of seed germination. Soil quality plays a crucial role, as seeds need a nutrient-rich, well-drained substrate to grow. Soil pH can also impact germination. Most seeds prefer slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Light conditions vary depending on the plant species. Some seeds require exposure to light, while others need darkness to germinate. Additionally, seeds may have dormancy mechanisms that prevent germination until specific environmental conditions are met. Dormancy and seed viability. Many seeds exhibit dormancy, a period during which they do not germinate despite having favorable conditions. Dormancy can be a survival strategy, allowing seeds to germinate at the optimal time. Factors influencing dormancy include seed coat hardness, temperature requirements, and the need for specific environmental cues. Breaking dormancy may require treatments such as scarification, scratching the seed coat, or stratification, exposure to cold temperatures. The role of seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is an important aspect of plant reproduction, allowing seeds to spread away from the parent plant. Dispersal mechanisms include wind, water, animals, and mechanical methods. Effective seed dispersal helps reduce competition between parent plants and offspring and increases the chances of successful germination in new locations. Some seeds are adapted to specific dispersal methods, enhancing their ability to colonize different environments. From seedling to mature plant. Once the seedling establishes its root and shoot systems, it continues to grow and develop into a mature plant. The plant undergoes various stages of growth, including vegetative growth, leaf and stem development, and reproductive growth, flowering and seed production. As the plant matures, it may produce flowers and seeds, continuing the life cycle and contributing to the next generation of plants. Conclusion: the journey of seeds. The journey from seed to mature plant is a remarkable process involving several stages of development. Seed germination marks the beginning of this journey, requiring specific conditions to trigger the growth of the embryo. Understanding how seeds germinate and grow helps us appreciate the complexity of plant life and the importance of favorable environmental conditions for successful plant growth.